Hi children, how are you all? Welcome to your home school. Okay, this is a part 2 textbook. We are dealing Introduction to Trigonometry, Chapter 11, NCERT CBSE syllabus, Mathematics. Okay, in our class last session, what we have completed children? We have completed our exercise 11.2. Okay, today in this session, we are going to start exercise 11.3. In this exercise, what we are going to deal? Okay, let's have a recap. First two parts we have done the introduction part, and your third part we have done exercise 11.1, and then fourth part 11.1 pending exercise. Okay, and again fifth and sixth we have did 11.2 exercise. Now in this seventh session, so whereas first exercise with introduction of ratios, second exercise with regarding the ratio table. Now third exercise deals with the complementary angles. Okay, so I think you know the meaning of what is a complementary angle. What is complementary angle here children? Two angles are said to be complementary if their sum is 90 degree. Okay, let's have a look here. A small box, can you see here? Sin 90 minus theta cos theta. You know already, right? So how it came? Just one example with a right angle triangle. So look here children, I have drawn a right angle triangle here. Let me mark here A, B, C. Let's check out is it right or wrong. So if I take this theta, then what will be this one? This is 90, right? These two angles are complementary. Why they are complementary? Those two angles sum is 90 degree. So here this is theta. What will be this angle? It will be 90 degree minus theta. So look here, I have written outside little 90 degree minus theta. So just verify one formula here. Sine of 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta it seems. Okay, let's take the angle 90 minus theta and what ratio here? Sine. Let's apply here. Sine of 90 degree minus theta. What is sine ratio? Opposite by hypotenuse. Okay, your angle is here. For this, where is opposite? BC. By hypotenuse is what children here? AC. Okay. Okay. Let me find your cos theta children. What is cos theta? So your angle is at theta. Look here. Cos, when your angle is here, cos theta ratio is adjacent by hypotenuse. So this becomes the adjacent and hypotenuse only change. So look here, from 1 and 2, what you can say? These two are equal. So this is the way these equations are derived. Okay, so now sin 90 minus theta cos 90 minus theta sin theta, tan 90 minus theta, cot 90 minus theta, tan theta, secant 90 minus theta, cosecant 90 minus theta, secant theta. Okay, without by hearting, try to understand here children. How do you remember? Sin, cos, sin, tan, cot, tan, cosecant, secant, cosecant. Okay, every session you will be having some techniques. Try to follow the techniques. Okay, here what is your first problem here children? What's your first main heading? Evaluate. Okay. So, how to evaluate this one? Okay. So, what is your question here? First sub question. Sin 18 degree by cos 72 degree. Sin 18. I will rewrite here children. Look here carefully. Sin of 90 degree minus 72 by, I won't change denominator, cos 72. Look here, how did I write this? Some people will get a confusion here. So here you have 18 degree, right? How do you rewrite this angle? How you got 18 degree? In 90 degree, you are going to subtract 72. You are going to get 18 degree. Okay, are you all following? Because those two are complementary angles, right? If one angle is 18, how did you get this 18? In 90 degrees, if you subtract 72, you are going to get 18. So what you have to do children first? in your mind 90 minus 80, how much you subtract, what the value you get, write it here. Okay, so now you remember the rule. What is that? What is sine 90 degree minus theta? It will be cos theta. Where is the theta value here? What you have? This is the theta, right? Cos 72 degree by cos 72 degree. What is this, children? Cancel. Your answer is 1. So once again, children, here first problem. One problem, if you understand, full exercise is very easy. So here, there you do mistake. Some children will change sign here itself. Sign now, you will write of cos of 90 minus theta, but don't change. So first step, how to write, understand carefully. So keep in your mind 90 degree. How much if you subtract, you will get 18. Or another way of remembering, 90 degree subtract 18, how much you are going to get? 72, right? So that number you remember in your mind and write sine 90 degree minus 72. Thereafter continue. Sine 90 minus theta will be cos theta. Cos theta by cos theta will be 1. Okay, let's try to solve the second one. Same pattern. See here in this, when you are evaluating, only numerator or denominator I will change. I won't change both at a time. What happens if you change? You get the reciprocal of this, that's all. You cannot solve this question, right? Second one, tan 26 by cot 64. Any one you can change. So how do you get tan 26, children? Think in your mind. What is 26? 90 minus 26 will be how much? It will be 64, right? That number keep it in your mind and rewrite the same thing. Tan of 90 degree minus 64 by cot 64 degree. So now what you remember here, children? Tan 90 degree minus theta is equal to cot theta. So rewrite here. Cot, what's your theta value? 64 by cot 64 degree. That will be 1. Therefore, this is equal to 1. Okay. Shift to the third problem. That division here, subtraction there. Subtraction also same manner, but never try to change 2 terms at a time. Only one you have to change. Or you can choose any one, children. That is your choice. So let me take cos 48. Cos 48. How could you get cos 48 here? 90 minus 48 you do. How much you are going to get? 42, right? So write this. Cos of 90 degree minus 42 degree minus sine 42 degree. What is cos 90 minus theta? It will be sine theta. Sine theta value is 42 degree minus sine 42. What happens? Cancel. It's not 1, it is 0. Okay. So where you do mistake also, I'll say here. Suppose if you have cos 48, some people may write cos of 90 degree minus 48. This is wrong. Okay. So have you got cos theta? Okay, this theta in 90 degree, how much if you subtract, that number you have to write. Not this value, children. Be careful there. And one more. Here itself, they'll change your sign. 90 minus 42, they'll write off. Second line itself, they'll do this one. If you change here sign, then sine 90 minus theta will be cos theta. Then what you have changed? You didn't change anything. Okay, so listen once again carefully. So see the value what you have in 90 degree. You subtract that and keep that number in your mind. So take same ratio cos 90 degree minus that value. Write it here. The next step cos 90 minus theta will be sin theta. Okay, children? Is it clear? So like this, don't spoil your problem. Only 1 mark this contains. So next, fourth sub question here. Cosecant 31 degree minus secant 59 degree. So let me take first one. Cosecant 90 minus 59 degree minus secant 59 degree. So what is cosecant 90 minus theta, children? Secant 59 degree minus secant 59 degree cancel. It will be 0. Okay, so one more technique here, children. Have to remember, just see the denominator or the beside value. Just check it out. 90 minus, if you do this, it must be this number. 90 minus, if you do this, automatically this number will come. Okay, why it comes? In order to cancel. Okay, let's see the next main. Okay, look here, children. Second main. Show that. What do you have here? Second main. Show that. First one. Tan 48 degree, tan 23 degree, tan 42 degree, tan 67 degree equal to 1. So here there is no gap, children. Imagine it as a dot or into. Okay. Now, how can I prove this? So how can you prove this? Just have a look carefully. Something you will get a hint here. What is that? Tan 48. So 4 you have. How many I have to change? Suppose if I have any negative or plus symbol or divide, so you have changed numerator or you have changed one cell. Now what I have to do? So here you have 4 ratios, right? 4 tans you have here. So 2 you have to change. Which 2 you have to change? That also you should see. Which both values will be having some 90 you have to check out. So 48 and 42 will be how much, children? 90 degree. Yes or no? So in these two, one ratio you try to change. Let me change this. And again, tan 23, tan 67. 23 plus 67 must be 90 degree. Again, in these two, you select any one set. Okay, now what you are going to do? 2 tan ratios you are going to change, such that in order to cancel and get one answer. Okay, so look here, children, carefully. Tan 48, how can we rewrite this? Tan of 90 degree minus 42 into tan 23, how will you change? Tan 90 degree minus 67 into tan 42 degree into tan 67. So when they asked you to prove, right? So rewrite this line again by writing consider LHS. Okay? Consider LHS, write this line again, then you change like this. So now what is tan 90 minus theta, children? It will be cot theta. Theta value is 42. And here tan 90 minus 67 will be cot 67 degree into tan 42 into tan 67 degree. Okay, now cot, how can you write? What is cot theta? It is the reciprocal of tan theta. Right? So cot theta, how do I write here? 1 by tan 42 degree. And this cot theta, I will write it as 1 by tan 67 degree. Okay, now these two as it is, children. Tan 42 into tan 67 degree. Tan 42 will be cancelled. Tan 67 will be cancelled. 1 into 1. What is your answer? 1. Okay. So look here, children. If you need still clear explanation or when you are writing, you need again clarity of this problem if you need. What you are going to do? Whatever we have taken here. Tan 90 degree minus theta is equal to cot theta. And cot theta is equal to, I have rewritten it as tan theta. Okay, what all we have written, you have to write side. Okay, is this clear? Hence, this equal to 1, it is proved. Therefore, final answer. Tan 48 degree into tan 23 degree to tan 42 degree into tan 67 degree equal to 1. Hence it is proved. So similar pattern, second sub question. Look over there. So here cos 38, cos 52 minus you have. So have a look. Which two sum is 90? Have a look here. So here cos 38. 38 plus 52 will be 90. So again 38 plus 52 will be 90. Then how can I do this? Any one term in this you change. So here let me change only first ones in these two, right? Cos 38, how can you rewrite this? Cos of 90 degree minus 52 degree into cos 52 degree minus. Okay. So next another one. So what happens? Let's see here carefully. Sin 90 degree minus 52 degree into sin 52 degree. Okay. So this will be how much, children? Cos 90 minus theta. Always observe the table what I have written. Cos 90 minus theta will be sin theta, that is sin 52 into cos 52 minus, what is this one? Sin 90 minus theta will be cos 52 into sin 52. So look here, no confusion here. Sin 52 cos 52 minus, you can rewrite this sin 52 now. Sin 52 cos 52. What happens here? Both are same but with a sign different. Suppose if you have x minus x plus x and minus x will be cancelled now. Same manner, sin 52 cos 52 minus sin 52 cos 52. If you cancel, what will be left here? Some of the people will write here one answer. It's not 1. 1 minus 1. What do you think? Imagine like this. 1 minus 1 will be 0. Okay. So hence it is proved. Therefore cos 38 degree cos 52 degree minus sin 38 degree into sin 52 degree is equal to 0. Okay children, is this clear? Your third problem here. If tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degree, where 2a is acute angle, find angle A is your question. So here, how can I do this problem? So I don't have a normal value angle. So I have here 2a. A value we don't know. And here also a minus 18 degree. Again a I don't know. So how can we proceed? There I remember the identity. What is that? Tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. Yes? You can rewrite this children. Tan 90 minus theta equal to cot theta or cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Okay. So here I can see it as tan theta. This tan theta, how can you write here? You can write it in the form of cot 90 minus theta. What is the theta value here? 90 degree minus 2a. Why am I doing this? In order to make LHS and RHS equal. So cot 90 minus 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degree. Look here carefully. If you want to convert this also, cot theta, if you feel this, you can rewrite this as tan 90 minus theta. 90 minus a minus 18, it will be lengthy. So instead of that, take the short value. Tan theta, this can be rewritten as cot 90 minus theta. So now, if you want, you can cancel or you can leave the same term cot. Okay. Remaining, you equate. If you want, you can cancel. 90 degree minus 2a is equal to a minus 18. Okay, children. So now, this 2a, send other side. What happens? A plus 2a. Okay. And this 18 degree, bring this side. What happens here? 90 degree plus 18 degree. That will be 108 degree equal to a plus 2a will be 3a. Okay, now again send this 3 this side. It will be divided. A is equal to 108 by 3. That will be 3 3s are 9, 3 6 are 18. Therefore, what is your angle A, children, here? 36 degree. What is your angle A? Only A you can say. But what is A in a triangle? It is one of the angle. Therefore, angle A is equal to 36 degree. Same manner, we have one more problem. Have a look of it. If tan A is equal to cot B, prove that A plus B is equal to 90. Okay, forget about that proof. So, any one term you change. Same manner you can take. It is in the form of tan theta, children. You can rewrite this as cot 90 degree minus theta. You can rewrite. Okay, this is formula. Again, don't confuse here how it came. So, now this tan theta rewrite like this. Cot of 90 degree minus, what's the value you have here? A is equal to cot B. Cot cancel. 90 degree minus A equal to B. Okay, this minus A send other side. 90 degree is equal to A plus B, or A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. Hence, it is proved. That's it, right? They asked to prove, right? We already have done the proof. So, now, fifth question. Same similar pattern here. Fifth problem. If secant 4a is equal to cosecant a minus 20 degree, where 4a is acute, find the value of a. Same similar pattern, children. Now, which formula you are going to remember here? Secant theta. Secant theta is equal to cosecant of 90 degree minus theta. So, this secant 4a, how will you write here? Cosecant 90 degree minus, what's your theta value here? 4a is equal to cosecant a minus 20 degree. Cosecant cancel, or you can skip that. 90 minus 4a is equal to a minus 20 degree. Okay. So now send a terms one side and degree another side. Minus 4a bring this side. A plus 4a, and this will be 90 degree plus 20. 90 plus 20 will be 110 degree. A plus a will be 5a. Now this 5 send this side, children. A is equal to this 110 degree by 5. That will be 5 to 10, 5 to 10. Therefore, what's your angle A here, children? A is equal to 22 degree. Okay. See here, sixth problem. If A, B and C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, show that sine of B plus C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. So here, how can I do this? So, before that, I need here A by 2, something there. So, a triangle sides are ABC. So, what is the sum of interior angles of a triangle? You already have an idea. What is that? Let me consider my solution like this. We know that sum of the angles of a triangle is equal to how much? 180 degree. Okay. So, from this, I try to prove this. So, now, by 2 there. So, what I am going to do? Divide the equation by 2. So, A plus B plus C by 2 is equal to 180 degree by 2. Okay. Now, I have here all separate there. So, let me take the denominator separately. A by 2 plus B by 2 plus C by 2 is equal to 180 by 2 will be how much? 90 degree. So, here B and C are one side. Try to send this A that side. Do these two LCM. B plus C by 2 is equal to 90 degree minus a by 2. Don't be confused here, children. Why I have done here in your question b plus c there. So now what I need to do next step? Okay, LHS side we are similar, near to the answer. Now multiply sign on both sides. Okay, what happens here? Sine of b plus c by 2 is equal to sine of 90 minus a by 2. Okay, so LHS side is ready. But now RHS, you can remember the identity. What is that? Sine 90 minus theta. What is sine 90 minus theta? It will be cos theta. Your theta value is a by 2. Therefore, sine of b plus c by 2 is equal to cos of a by 2. Hence, it is proved. So, once again, have a look here. If a, b and c are interior angles of a triangle, show that. We need to prove something, right? We have to observe the question carefully. They may ask you a plus c by 2 or a plus b by 2 also they may ask. So, don't be panic. Interior angle said. So, a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degrees. So, divide by 2. So, what you are going to get here? A plus b plus c by 2 is equal to 90 degree. Split this ratio and what given in question? Accordingly, you convert. If they ask here sine, you multiply sine. If they ask here cos, you multiply cos. Last and final question of this exercise. Express sine 67 plus cos 75 in terms of trigonometric ratio of angles between 0 degree and 45 degree. Okay, so between 0 and 45 you have to convert the angle. That's it, right? You no need to prove anything. So now, what is this sine 67? You need to rewrite sine 67 angle. So how can you rewrite here? Sine 90 minus 67, what it will be? So let me rewrite here. Sine 67 degree plus cos 75 degree. Sine 67 before we have done now, how we will be writing here, children? So sine of 90 degree minus 90 minus 67 will be 23 plus you have to change both. Okay, so this one also same manner, cos of 90 degree minus 15 degree. So now this will be sine 90 minus theta will be cos 23 degree and cos 90 minus theta will be sine theta, that will be 15 degree. So observe here, children, I have changed the given ratio in this. Okay, sine 67 plus cos 67 I have rewritten as cos 23 plus sine 15. And its angle should be in between 0 and 45. Yes, its range is in between 23 and 15, means it is in between 0 and 45. I hope you all have enjoyed the class here. This third exercise is very easy to understand. And to do this also, it's very simple. Okay, so thank you all, children.